In this question, a graphical representation between log p and log x by m is given. We need to write the answers for the given questions based on this graphical representation. First one is to write the expression for adsorption of gases on solids in form of an equation. We can write the equation, that is log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. And the next question, we need to write the slope of the graph. This equation is in the form of equation of a straight line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. In an equation, m will be the slope of the line and c will be the y-intercept. So we can say the slope of the line will be 1 by n. And the third one is to write the y-intercept of the line. So here the y-intercept will be logarithm of k. So for each question you will get 1 mark. So the total mark is 3.